Hello guys, Jose the Yeet here, and the reason why I'm doing a video right now is because I'm trying to find a sound effect that I've noticed in a couple of videos, and so I wanted to ask you guys if you guys can find it. If not, then it's alright. I'll keep searching for myself. Hang on, and I'll show you the sound effect. Hang on. Hang on.
That's the needle we're looking at.
Hang on. In this scene, this is the sound effect that I'm trying to find. Hang on. That sound effect where the bus crashes, that's what I'm trying to look for. Hang on, let me replay it, and I'll put it in slow motion to see if you guys can hear it.
I'm an apex predator.
That sound effect. Fucking Discord. Hang on.
I'm an apex predator.
Yep, sure you are, Andrew. Hang on, you'll see that sound effect. Hang on. Get out of here. This sound effect. That sound effect, that's what I'm searching for. You don't believe me? Hang on. It is also in this video.
And that calls for a
It is also right here in this video.
unforgivable amount of destruction on Superman's part. Maybe you haven't seen a whole lot of what Superman does in other media.
Right there. The sound effect where Superman and Shazam crashes, it is the same sound that I produced earlier. You don't believe me neither? Here's the sound. Hang on, you'll see. You'll see. Like right here. Here's the sound effect. That sound effect where Gato Ultima clashes with Shin, and then he crashes Shin into a building. There's the sound effect. Hang on. Let me replay it, and then I'll put it in slow motion. Where right there where he crashes, listen to the sound. That's the sound that I'm trying to look for. So, what do you guys think in the comments down below? Comment what sound effect did EGM used. And if you can't find it, then it's okay. I'll keep searching for it. Alright? I hope you like. Hang on. Alright guys. That's all I'm asking. So I hope you like. Subscribe for more. This is Jose the Yeet signing out. Thank you guys and have a great day. Bye bye.